What we're trying to achieve with this project is to enable the floating substations so we can harvest the energy from the floating turbines that's also being created in this time.
Nobody else has set up an offshore floating substation before. In many places of the world we have deep water where we cannot set up foundations for the wind farms and also substations, so we have to go for the floating, and especially for the industries in Denmark, in wind industries in Denmark, if they have to keep being the leader of the wind energy in the world, then we have to also develop new solutions which can comply with the conditions in many parts of the world in order to send our products to different parts of the world. Just one example of countries are, for example, like Norway, who would like to enter to the green transition. Of course, they have a lot of hydro power plants, but at the same time, in order to enter to the wind energy area, they need to use potentially the floating wind farms and floating offshore substations, which is what we are looking at this project.
The majority of offshore wind resources is beyond the 60-meter point, which cater for new creative things and solutions that is alternative what we know today. And that's where we see FOSS come into play. We see a great potential for both business and climate problems of today by utilizing this floating offshore substation technology. From a business perspective, we see that we can harvest the energy from locations we have never been able to do before, which is opening up a whole new world to gather wind power from offshore to shore in countries you have never seen before. Climate-wise, it will also be a game changer because we will enabling different countries that have not been able to do that much green energy yet, which will give us a whole new set of eyes on the world and a greener planet and a more healthy planet. Together with our partners, we are committing ourselves to this innovative solution, getting it to be a reality.